Maxim 9. Whoever slays a bad fellow saves mankind from a calamity, and him from the wrath of God. Well, not everything's a death penalty crime. I would say 3 things, really. Murder, rape, knowingly having sex with a pre-adolescent, and you could say treason to the effect of those things, but or certain history of torture or something, but yeah, it's not everything. Condonation is laudable, but nevertheless, apply no salve to the wound of an oppressor of the people. He who had mercy upon a serpent knew not that it was an injury to the sons of Adam.